Good day, my dear viewers. My name is Sanebo Benedict, a participant of MMM, undergoing training in MMM Badge 137 Together School. I'm happy to be in this community. At this hour, I want to speak about MMM ideology, rules, and benefits. First and foremost, what is MMM? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. There is no central account where all the system money flows to and where it can be easily stolen from. All the money is only on the banking accounts of the participants themselves. On a lot of thousand and million private accounts, participants transfer to each other directly without intermediaries. What are they for? In fact, MMM only regulates the process, nothing more. So the system completely belongs to people. No kidding. It is a real mutual aid fund where ordinary people help each other. The modern world is bad. It is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people. It is for those who produce this money, for bankers and financiers, government and millionaires, and people are merely pawns in this game. They just serve them as attendants. The rich gets richer and the poor poorer, but we can do something, and that is the power of giving. MMM, it is something close to our hearts. Here people help each other. Today you help and tomorrow you'll be helped. It is the main principle of MMM. How it works. Register on the MMM Nigerian website. Add accounts. Declare the willingness to provide help for by clicking on the Provide Help. Your account will be rewarded with Marvel, which start to grow once you finish providing help to 30% at month end. You know about the popular word contribution, where people contribute money to one person, and there is a book where everyone's name is written. When it gets your turn, everybody's money is given to you. In MMM, we make pledges to donate our spare money to members who need the money. We do so by logging into our MMM account, that is personal office, to make the pledge. We join the queue of people who made pledges. After making the pledge, we only make pledges. We don't gather our pledges to give to one person. In MMM, there's no central account, that is no bank account where all our pledges are paid into. Members transfer money directly to each other. Now, if a member in the community who has already made a pledge to provide financial help to another member and has fulfilled his pledge now needs help, he does that by logging into his MMM account, that is personal office, to say so. The system connects him with the person in the queue for providing help. If it is your turn on the queue to provide help, when you log into your personal office, you will receive the details of the person to provide financial help to. As soon as you pay the money directly into the person's bank account who needs that financial help, and that person acknowledges he has received the money, you are now qualified to receive help. You then log into your personal office to ask for financial help. Someone or people in the queue whose turn it is to provide help will be assigned to pay you 30% of the donation you provided plus the donation money itself. Rules of MMM. Rule 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one MMM account. Penalty. All accounts will be permanently blocked, will be banned. Rule 2. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty. You will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 4. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty. Your GH will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5. Do not click on the I refuse to make payments button for more than once a month. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payments. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 8. Do not allow your family members to PH more than you. If they have more than the amount you PH to donate, let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guidance link. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 9. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH, that is withdrawal. Maximum days to write it after your GH is 3 days. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 10. Do not use the same IP address to access or log to more than one account. Example, do not log into 2 accounts with same phone. Penalty. You will be blocked. Benefits of MMM. You provide help and receive 30% and more per month for your contribution. Registration bonus. When registering in the system, you get from $20 to $100 as a present. $20 if you have contributed from $50 to $499, frozen for 2 weeks. If you take it out earlier, you will lose $20. $50 if you have contributed from $500 to $2,999, frozen for a month. $100 to $3,000 and above, all froze for a month. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. Guidance bonus. Guiders of MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guider's bonus depends on his level in the community. For instance, the first level referral bonus to a guider is 5%. The second level referral bonus to a guider is 3%. The third level referral bonus to a guider is 1%. The fourth level referral bonus to a guider is 0.5%, and so on and so forth. Thank you, MMM. Long live MMM. Long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live participants of MMM. Thank you very much.